Morning viewers, this is my first class in YouTube channel. My name is Jagan, working as a chemistry faculty in repeated organization. In my teaching experience, some of the students getting confusion and lack of knowledge in chemistry. So that's why I will explain that chemistry basics. This class onwards, we have to explain that more and more videos I will keep in that YouTube channel. Dear viewers, we are going with chemistry basics. The first basic word in chemistry is atom. So atom is the very basic unit in the chemistry class. Atom is the smallest particle of the matter. Atom is the smallest particle of the matter in living and non-living things also. Actually, in non-living things, the smallest particle is called as atoms. In living things, may be called as a cell also. But in basically, we have to explain that non-living things and living things are made up of the atoms. Made up of the atoms. Matter is made up of the atoms. So, according to John Dalton, atom is a indivisible and the smallest particle of the matter. Now coming to the molecule. What is the molecule? The substance which is obtained by the chemical combining of atoms. The substance which is obtained by the chemical combining of atoms. So here molecule simplest meaning is there, the group of atoms. The group of atoms are chemically combining. For example, molecules are two types based on their combination. One is homoatomic molecule. Homo means same type of atoms. Homo means same type of atom. Same type of atoms combined together to give the homoatomic molecules. The best examples are H2, N2, O3. O3 means ozone. H2 means H plus H is obtained. H plus H is obtained. N2 means N plus N it's obtained. O3 means O plus O plus O, like this obtained. Heteroatomic molecule. Hetero means the molecules are combined together by the combination of different atoms. By the combination of different atoms. You know that here two type of atoms are there in NH3 molecule. Nitrogen plus hydrogen. Here nitrogen one atom, hydrogen three atoms. Totally this molecule has four atoms. But in these four atoms, two different type of atoms are there. That's why it's called as a heteroatomic molecule. Here commonly we know that water formula H2O. Water H2O. Here H2O also contains two type of atom, hydrogen and oxygen. NaCl, Na plus Cl, like that, two type of atoms. So such type of compound, in such type of, they're called as a heteroatomic molecules. Heteroatomic molecules. After that, we are going with compound. Compound. What is the compound? The substance which is obtained by the chemically combination of different kind of atoms. Different kind of atoms. Here, compounds example I given NaCl, MgCl2, Na2CO3. So here, what is the difference between the molecule and compound? Do you have a doubt? All compounds are molecules. What are given example for the compounds? All compounds are molecules, but all molecules are not a compounds. For example, hydrogen molecule is there. It's not a compound. You have to read H2 molecule. You have to read N2 molecule. You have to read O3 molecule. But here H2O is considered as a molecule and compound because it's considered as a heteroatomic molecule. It's known as a compound also. This is the difference between the molecule and compounds. So next coming to that ion. Ion. What is the meaning of ion? The charged species are called as a ion. Simply what is that? The charged species are called as a ions. So how can the ions getting charges? For example, if an atom either be losing or gaining or sharing of electrons, particularly losing or gaining electrons to carries either be positive charge or negative charge. Positive charge or negative charge. For example, that's based on ions are two types. So, if an atom or molecules, neutral molecules, either be losing electrons to carries the positive charge, like a example Na plus, K plus, Mg2 plus. They are called as a cations and positive ions. Positive ions another name, cations and positive ions. Why the elements losing electrons? For example, you know Na. What is the Na atomic number? 11. It's losing one electron to get stability. Potassium 19. It's losing one electron to get stability. That's why plus 1. Magnesium atomic number 12. It's losing 2 electron to get nearable noble gases stability. So the element or atoms getting stability by losing uh, electrons to get nearable configuration of no stable gases, like noble gases. Stable means noble gas. Here another one is which an atoms gaining electrons to get stability. Such type of ions carries the negative charge. They are called as the negative ions, or another name anions. Negative ions are anions. The best example is chlorine minus. What is the chlorine atomic number? 17. It's required one electron to get stability. That's why gaining charge is a minus. Oxygen atomic number 8. It requires 2 electrons to get stability. 2 minus. Fluorine gaining 1 electron. So to get stability minus. These are all about the ions. So here one more is pending. Element. What is that element? Element is nothing but a made up of one type of atoms. Element is nothing but a made up of one type of atoms. Hydrogen is a element. Helium is a element. Sodium is a element. Sodium, these are all elements are made up of one kind of atoms. So here atoms are nothing but a element we have to consider. Okay now. These are the today class. Today class is very fundamentals. Today we learn atom, element, molecules. Molecules also two types based on the combination: homoatomic molecules, heteroatomic molecules, and compounds. So what is the difference between the molecules and compounds? I explained clearly. And ions. Ions, when the atoms are losing or gaining, carries the positive or negative charge. They are called as a ion. Simply, charged species are called as a ion. This is a topic, today topic. Next we will meet another class, next video, through next video. You're all today subscribe my channel. You can keep the bell icon also. Thank you very much, viewers. Keep smiling.